So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel. My name is Rich, I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about building our small drone businesses, imaging, video, drone flight, you name it, we cover a lot of these topics. And oftentimes I bring you along to some of these job sites. Now today's video is going to be really short, and this is just talking about our 4th of July drone class sale at classes.azdrone.net. Right now, we're running a 40% off sale on our complete AZ bundle package. So what's included in that? Well, I've got my iPad right here, so I just wanted to talk to you about this for a moment. Our course series covers a lot of different aspects of a small drone business. So you might have knowledge in some areas, but maybe there's other areas that you're weak in, and we try to cover each of the topics for beginners. So if you feel that you're a seasoned expert, most likely this class series isn't going to be for you. I'm just picking up my iPad to take a look really quick. So this 17 class bundle is marked down 40% off. So normally $250, and up through 4th of July, it's marked down to $150. And it includes all 17 classes plus any future class updates on the site as well. So whether that's additions to current classes or a completely new class, which we'll talk about because we're going to be doing a new class after the sale is done. But I just want to give you a couple of examples of the courses that we're offering here. So the first one in our class bundle, the Post Part 107, you passed the test. What comes next? Are you a great photographer? Are you good at photo editing? Are you a videographer? Are you good at video editing? We talk about some of the things that will play into your business and help you grow your business in this particular one. Our second one, which is one of my favorites, is our drone construction progress reporting workflow. Now, we do a lot of progression work for builders. So we are on job sites regularly, whether it's warehouses or residential. Our workflow usually remains the same, and I've been building this workflow for years, and this class here actually takes you through my workflow and shows you all the steps that go into when we're doing one of our drone jobs. The next one's pretty straightforward: make money with your drone. It's a little tongue-in-cheek, but we do talk about the ways that we make money with our drones on our job sites, on our commercial job sites. So we cover multiple different projects to give you an idea of the types of projects you can do. It's not just about construction progression reporting. You could be following along with new infrastructure builds. There's a lot of different opportunities beyond just residential and commercial construction. And so we walk you through several of those. One of my other favorite classes has to be our custom drone deliverable web pages for clients. I actually take you through the build process of a WordPress website that we utilize to get our final deliverables to our clients. We actually send them links. We can send them open links or private links, and they can actually see the changes on their properties and utilize our presentations for their own presentations as well. Think about investment capitalists who are actually backing some kind of venture capital deal. Maybe it's a new community and my clients are looking to fundraise and get additional VC money into the project. Well, they actually take some of the presentations that we do and they use those to show the venture capitalists the type of work that they can do with their construction. So it's a very interesting class. You don't have to know anything about web building. And if you're not interested in building your own site, you might get some ideas of additional deliverables to your clients all the same. Now, in total, there are 17 classes in this entire series. Every single one of the class has free previews. So if you're unsure whether or not the whole class bundle is for you, you can check each of the courses out, watch the free previews, see if I'm boring, see if you like my teaching style, etc. But we give you the opportunity to see if these courses would work for you. And by the way, on all of our classes, we do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So there we go, my shameless pitch, my shameless plug. And just so you know, after the sale is completed, we're planning on purchasing one of the new Mavic 3 Enterprises. And we're actually going to do a whole new class series from unboxing to utilization in the field, following along with our drone construction progression reporting workflow. We're going to start utilizing the Mavic 3 Enterprise, and we're going to bring you along for it. And that's going to be one of the newest classes showing up on classes.azdrone.net.